Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome once again to your English learning family, a space where mistakes are celebrated, confidence is built, and your voice truly matters. Today's lesson is special. We're talking about something every learner needs, no matter their level of English speaking practice for beginners. Now, I know how it feels when you first start speaking English. Your heart beats fast. Your mind goes blank. You worry, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? Let me tell you something important. Every fluent speaker you admire once felt the same way. No one is born confident. Confidence is something you build step by step, word by word, mistake by mistake. And today, we'll learn exactly how to start that journey with motivation, kindness, and joy. Let me share a little story. A few years ago, one of my students, Maria, joined my class. She was shy, quiet, and afraid to speak even one sentence in English. Every time I asked a question, she looked down and whispered, "Sorry, my English is bad." But I told her something simple. "Maria, your English is not bad. It's just beginning. Every tree starts as a seed. You just need to water it with practice." She smiled nervously, but she believed. Every day, she practiced one small conversation, saying hello, asking questions, talking about her day. After 1 month, she spoke with confidence. After 6 months, she gave a short speech in English to the class, and she made everyone cry with her story. That's the power of practice. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. When you're a beginner, speaking English can feel like climbing a mountain. But here's the truth. You don't have to climb the whole mountain today. Just take one small step. Start by talking to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Say things like, "I'm making tea, the weather is nice today," or "I'm watching an English video." Simple, right? But powerful. These small sentences build your rhythm and confidence. You train your mouth to move in English. You train your brain to think in English. Next, speak for 1 minute every day. Pick any topic, your favorite food, your hobbies, your dreams, and speak out loud. Don't worry about grammar. Don't stop for mistakes. Just speak. Every word you say is a brick in your fluency wall. Every sentence you try makes your English stronger. Speaking and listening are best friends. If you want to speak better, you must listen better. Start listening to simple English, children's stories, podcasts for beginners, or easy YouTube videos. Listen carefully to how people talk. Notice their rhythm, their expressions, their tone. Then, repeat after them. This technique is called shadowing. For example, if you hear, "Good morning. How are you today?" Pause and say it exactly like the speaker. Copy their accent, their tone, their speed. Do it again and again. Slowly, your English will sound smoother, more natural, more confident. Remember, babies learn to speak by listening first. You can do the same. You don't always need a partner to practice English. You can be your own best practice partner. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Smile. Then talk. Tell yourself about your day. Pretend you're introducing yourself to a new friend. Say things like, "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm learning English. I love music and coffee." At first, it feels strange. You might even laugh. But over time, you'll start feeling comfortable hearing your own English voice. Confidence grows when you face yourself, literally. Once you're ready, find people to talk to. Don't wait for perfect grammar, wait for real connection. You can join online apps like HelloTalk. These platforms connect you with English learners and native speakers from around the world. Start with simple greetings. Hi. How's your day? What's your favorite movie? I'm practicing English. Can we talk for a few minutes? Most people are friendly and helpful. They understand you're learning. And remember, every time you speak, you're not just learning English. You're learning courage. One of my students started with just one conversation partner online. At first, she only said short answers, yes, no, I think so. But week by week, she grew. Now she talks freely, laughs with confidence, and even helps other learners. All because she dared to start. Here's a secret technique most learners forget. Record yourself speaking English every week. Choose a topic like my weekend, my favorite memory, or what makes me happy. Speak for 1 minute. Then save the recording. Next week, do it again, same topic, or new one. After a month, listen to all your recordings. You'll hear the difference in your voice. You'll sound clearer, smoother, and more confident. This is one of the most powerful ways to track your progress. Don't keep your English locked in notebooks. Use it in real life. Next time you go to a cafe, order in English. Say, "Hi, can I have a cup of coffee, please?" When you watch a movie, repeat lines aloud. When you scroll through social media, leave short English comments. When you meet tourists, greet them with a smile and a hello. Welcome. Fluency doesn't live in books, it lives in your daily moments. Every small use of English builds your big confidence. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. Even native speakers. When you say something wrong, don't feel embarrassed. Smile. Learn. Move on. Because every mistake is a lesson. Wearing a funny costume. One of my students once said, "I'm boring," instead of "I'm bored." Everyone laughed, even her. But she never forgot the difference again. That's how we learn through real moments. Remember, mistakes are proof that you're trying. And trying is always better than staying silent. Sometimes you'll feel stuck. You'll think, "I'm not improving." But trust me, you are. You might not see it every day, but every word you say, every video you watch, every mistake you make, it all adds up. Fluency is not magic. It's movement. Keep going, even when you're tired. Keep speaking, even when it feels hard. Because one day, you'll look back and smile, "Wow, I can really speak English now." My dear learners, this journey is not just about language. It's about courage. Every time you speak, you're not just learning words, you're learning bravery. You are part of a global family of English learners, millions of people like you. All trying, all growing, all believing. So never say, my English is bad. Instead, say, my English is getting better. Because it is right now, as you read this. Stay patient. Stay proud. And keep practicing. And remember, here, on this channel, you are never alone. We learn together. We grow together. We speak together. Because English isn't just a language, it's your bridge to new friends, new dreams, and a new world.